The Superman exercise is a core strengthening exercise that targets the lower back and gluteal muscles. Here's how to do it. 1. Lie face down on the floor or an exercise mat. 2. Extend your arms straight out in front of you and keep your legs straight. 3. Simultaneously lift your arms, chest, and legs off the ground, creating a flying position. 4. Hold this position for a few seconds, squeezing your lower back and gluteal muscles. 5. Lower your arms, chest, and legs back to the starting position. Benefits of the Superman exercise. 1. Core strength. It strengthens the lower back muscles and the entire core, helping to improve posture and reduce the risk of lower back pain. 2. Spinal health. The exercise can promote better spinal alignment and flexibility, which is essential for overall back health. 3. Improved posture. Strengthening the muscles in the back helps maintain a more upright and aligned posture. 4. Balance and stability. It can enhance your overall balance and stability by strengthening the muscles that support the spine. 5. Injury prevention. A strong lower back can reduce the risk of injury during various physical activities. Remember to start with a manageable number of